Hello, everyone. This is your girl Pauline from my crafting hut. Hope everyone is doing well wherever you are today. It's been a minute since I came on and posted anything, but I have been busy in the background. I've been catching up on some of the videos, and everyone's posting all of the beautiful gifts, getting ready for the holiday and doing their challenges, etc. And I enjoy watching all of them. But with that being said, I just want to say that I do appreciate every one of you who are still sticking with me. It's one of those life situations where you sometimes just have to step back and take care of yourself and do some family stuff. So, yeah, I'm back, y'all. So, now that I'm done rambling, let me show you all a little of what I've been doing in the background. Uh, what I'm planning on doing is I'm not doing Christmas gift baskets. I am prepping myself for Mother's Day and Valentine. So, in the background, I've been making some jewelry to add to my baskets and also to have as accessories on the table. So these are some of what I've been working on right here. So yeah, so I just wanted to come on and show you all some of what I've been doing. Uh, these are all with fresh elastics and made with this elastic here. And have another one. Now I'm new to this also, this making jewelry, but I wanted something different for my baskets, and so I thought this would give it a little personal touch, something handmade from myself, and I think that whoever received these would really like them. So the the beads are a mixture of places. I got these from some from the Dollar Tree, Amazon, Hobby Lobby. I think those are the only three places. Oh, and Walmart. Got some from Walmart. So yeah, so this is what I've been doing. Uh, I this one is made. Yeah, this is also elastic. Okay. So they're not perfect, but I think they turned out pretty good. Uh, I think they're nice. I like them. So, and also I've been working on some keychains. This one has a little teddy bear at the end. This one has a little nursing charm. And this one, I just did this one today. And I don't know, I tried making this a little different. I wanted to fill this in right here, the space in. So instead of putting a hanging charm, I did a charm and just turned it over, bend it to cover so the stone there. So it can be worn, it can be worn that way or that way. So let's see how some of these will look on my hand, just to show you what it looks like on the hand. So yeah, this is the pink one. These are some of the stones that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I made it this little charm and put it on there. Okay. I really like this one also. Just added a little charm to it. It's black there, gold on that side. Yeah, so like I said, I'm prepping these for Mother's Day and Valentine. Well, Valentine will come first. So yeah, I'm prepping these for Valentine and Mother's Day. So yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and show you all really quick that I am staying busy in between, school is out, so in between taking care of the kids while their parents work, I am finding time to go ahead and stay creative until I can get back into full swing. But anyways, thank you all for watching this video. And like I said, if you're a subscriber, I thank you for staying with me. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and I'll be honest with you, I don't post every day, and like I said, it's been a minute since I posted anything, but I will be here and I will get back into the swing of things. So until my next video, y'all stay blessed. See you.